Ever struggled with slow, inconsistent soldering during urgent repairs? I used to waste hours waiting for my old station. Temperature would fluctuate, ruining delicate components every time. Frustration peaked when I had a motherboard rework deadline. Multiple tools cluttered my workspace, making everything chaotic. Switching between preheating, soldering, and hot air was a nightmare. I needed something powerful, precise, and efficient, fast. Scrolling through AliExpress, I discovered the YIHUA 853AAA. The 1200W power output immediately caught my attention. A 3-in-1 design, hot air gun, preheater, and soldering iron. I checked the specs: comprehensive, professional grade, and versatile. What really stood out? The precise LED temperature control. Plus 1°C stability means no more overheating or cold spots. Smart sleep mode after 10 minutes saves energy automatically. Supports US, EU, AU, UK power types. Perfect for any setup. The robust 1200W output ensures rapid, even heating every time. Preheating station covers 120 linears, great for large PCBs. Brushless fan hot air gun delivers soft, controlled airflow. Soldering iron tip has super low resistance and voltage. Handle lengths over 100 cm make maneuvering easy and safe. Temperature ranges cover everything from 50 degrees to 480 degrees. No more juggling 3 devices, one station does it all. Now I can preheat, desolder, and solder simultaneously. My repairs are faster, cleaner, and way more reliable. The LED display keeps my temperature settings accurate. No more guesswork or ruined boards, just pro-level results. Energy-saving sleep mode protects the iron tip and saves power. 3-value storage settings save my favorite configurations. Directly use stored temps, no more wasting time adjusting. Temperature calibration feature means long-term accuracy. Dual temperature display options suit any country's standards. Multi-layer heat transfer. Preheating plate is a game changer. Ceramic heating element rises to temp rapidly and evenly. Pluggable handle design makes maintenance super simple. Now even complex BGA repairs feel effortless and smooth. My workspace is organized, efficient, and clutter-free. Every repair session feels professional and stress-free. I finish jobs faster, with more confidence and precision. Imagine never struggling with inconsistent soldering again. Why settle for less when you can have it all in one? Ready to upgrade your repair game instantly? Wouldn't you love pro results every single time? Don't wait. Grab the YIHUA 853AAA now before it's gone. Transform your repair experience. Shop the link in my bio.